when I compare to myself from 22, so I read 10 Habits of Highly Effective People, the 6 week project of fitness project of Rujuta Divekar ma'am,
Okay.
and yeah, the Alchemist, and See You at the Top, Road to Success, and Sudha Murthy book also.
So hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, I'm so good. Thank you so much for asking me.
Please give me your introduction.
Yeah. So my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I live in West Bengal, and if I talk about my profession, I'm a homemaker. And since I'm too much passionate about this language, so that's why I'm learning it. And simultaneously, I'm running my own YouTube channel. There I upload some English related content, and my channel name is English with RAC. So this is my short introduction. Please, I would like to know, give your introduction.
Yeah, my name is Shivani. Yeah, I'm from Delhi, and I have completed my graduation BA. And after that, I did my one diploma course. This is software engineering, and my second certification course, that is acupressure. And yeah, nowadays I'm learning English. I just improving my communication skills, because after 1 year, or after I think 1 year, yeah, I live that type of environment where so many people speak in English. So this is the main reason I improve my skills. Yeah.
Okay, that's really good.
Yeah, thank you.
So how is the weather in your area? You live in Delhi, so how is the weather there?
There is cold. So what's your hobbies?
Yeah, my hobby is listening to music, dancing, reading book, and that as well as I'm a fond of baking and reading books. Whenever I read books, I love the read book, because through reading books, I can learn so many things. And since I'm working
Yes.
on my communication skills, so it's a very important to read book. Until or unless, I don't incorporate the I don't incorporate the reading, speaking, practice of reading, then it will be very difficult for me to enhance my fluency level. So that's why nowadays it's it's not my hobby. I can say that it's a part of my life, reading books.
Okay. So what type of books you are reading?
I read generally, I purchase some books from market, that is some English content related books, English books, that how a person,
What's the name? What's the name of the book?
that is a Bengali to English. And that
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
and that another books I read, that is like You Can Win. That books also very good books, which is authored by
You
Shivani.
can
You
win.
can
You can.
you can
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I know that book. Yeah, I remember the. Yeah.
Yeah, I read that books because there are so many short story, and whenever I read the story, so I, after reading the story, I try to explain it in my own way. So definitely I will get benefit from it.
Yes, books reading is very helping for us, and we know so many things. Or
Yeah.
other books you have to read, or other books.
No, others no. So when I face I have those books I purchase from shop, that is English to Bengali to English. So that books I any grammar book, that time grammar contents, grammars, and that are some idioms. So it will help me.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That is Bengali to English.
Okay, great. I suggest you one book. It's very great book. That is Sudha Murthy book. Sudha Murthy.
Yeah, so many people told me about Sudha Murthy. Actually, I didn't purchase about her books. Okay, she is the author, Sudha Murthy.
Yeah, she's the author. Yeah, she is the author.
She is author. So actually, what I do, because nowadays I am a homemaker, so I get a very less chance to read.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we get a very less chance to spend time for ourselves. Honestly speaking.
Yeah. Yes. Because you are also making cake, so you're busy.
Yeah. So what I do, like, suppose when I'm doing that time, when I do household chores, that time just I started listening her, like I watch her videos. So many, like,
Interviews, interviews.
so many things. When, so I always watch her, I follow her, like, and I try to listen her. I
Okay,
always
okay,
so many
okay.
things that she told me.
So
So
did you okay, did you complete your grammar book?
grammar, yeah, I don't have any kind of problem about grammar. My grammar part was good. Okay, when
Oh,
I was in school that time. But sometimes it very we face difficulty, like that is comparative to superlative. So that time we face sometimes difficulty. So that's the reason I when I face any kind of problem, that time I find out it and I did. I otherwise I don't have any kind of problem tense related. Don't have any issue. Model,
okay,
I know. My main
okay.
problem is while speaking I make mistake here and there.
Yeah, when we are learning something new, so we have mistakes. It's very normal. And I think whoever learn this language for the very first time, they also face this type of problem, speaking problem, because we are not speaking for 15 to 20 years. We are just start speaking for only 2 3 months, 5 to 6 months, just like
Yeah.
that. So obviously it takes time. So
Yes.
making mistake, it's not good. It's easy. Okay, everyone is making mistake. Yeah,
So, do you read books?
yeah, I reading books.
So what kind of books?
Every, every day I reading books for 30 minutes. I make my plan. So every day I reading books for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, whatever the chapter is completed, so for 5, 6, sometime it's 4. So I just complete it. What type of books I'm reading? I in this year 23, I read so many books. Seriously, when I compare to myself from 22, so I read the 7 habits of highly effective people, and there is the 6 week project of fitness project of Rujuta Divekar ma'am,
Okay.
and yeah, the Alchemist, and See You at the Top, Road to Success, and Sudha Murthy book also. I didn't remember the name of the book. And yeah, nowadays I'm learning how to magnet people, how to people magnet. Just this book I'm reading, and I also reading one kids book. This is Ramayan.
Okay.
This is
That
a
is
kids book,
also
but I read it.
yeah, kid books also help us. Like, there are so
And
many story we
yeah,
get.
one more kids book I reading. So this is Mahabharat.
That is good, really good.
Yeah,
And that whenever I listen that podcast, I listen that just Mahabharat. Okay. And I have learned so many things, and I try to explain it in my own way. So this is a
yeah,
really good process.
yes, yes. And nowadays means I'm reading how to magnet the people. I didn't remember the name, and also Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, for only means one para for a day. Yeah, because I have to make myself consistent instead of just to finish the book within 2 days, because it's very difficult to me type of people. Because I'm not in that habit of completed the book within 2 days. It's very difficult. So I
Okay.
just to challenge myself reading the book, but at least complete one paragraph. So in that way, I'm consistent. Consistency, I think it's very important. We do
Consist-
the regular things, it's good. Yeah, just for we do the one thing one day, and then we forget the next day and so many days.
no, this is not good. So it will, like, no, so if we procrastinate, then we will never be fluent in speaker. And that, like, no, if we read books, not only will we will become a fluent speaker, as well as, like, no, we come across new words. So when we come across new words, then this way we can enhance our vocabulary power also.
Yeah, and not new words, okay, new words, it's okay, but you know so many things just for
Yeah.
reality, just for right and wrong, what is right and what is wrong. You make the difference between these things also. Because when I read Sudha Murthy ma'am book, seriously, I learned this book for so many things.
Yes.
Yeah. And did you watch movies?
No, nowadays, honestly speaking, I don't watch movies. I used to watch, but nowadays I don't get time. Earlier, I used to watch like Southern movies that is English content, that was English subtitles. So I used to watch, but nowadays I don't watch. Nowadays, I don't have enough time because I'm working on my communication skills. So it is like no, so I have made my schedule that no, I read a one page, and after that, I learn at least one. I'm not talking about the two learn a 10 or 20 vocabularies, no, at least two or three, because when we learn, when I come across a new words, so after that I search it Google, and what is the synonyms of this word, what is the antonyms of the antonyms of these words. So if we learn there are two three words per day, then it will very
Your
good
schedule
for
is very busy, I think. Your schedule is very busy.
me.
Yeah. Okay, okay. I understand. I understand. I usually watch movies in Sundays, in weekends, because I love to watch movies. Yeah. So
Okay.
on
Is
Sunday I
Hindi
watch
or
some
Hindi is Hindi or English, like that? What kind of movies do you watch?
Hindi movies.
Hindi movies. And subtitles, like
Yeah.
subtitles in English, Hindi to English, or not only Hindi?
Yeah. With Hindi subtitles. Oh, sorry. With English subtitles. Yeah. With English subtitles.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So who is your favorite hero, actor?
My favorite actor is Change. Yeah. It's not fixed because when I was a kid, so there is my favorite actor. This is Hrithik Roshan, Shahrukh Khan, but not yet is any fixed favorite actor. I mean, everyone is good in their becoming an actor. Just Ranveer Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, everyone is good, not fixed. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And what? Who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Salman Khan. I love Salman Khan's, and that I really love. And then if I talk Salman Khan,
Salman Salman Khan knows
Khan Akshay Kumar.
your favorite. Okay, okay, okay.
And if I talk about my favorite actors, then Kangna Ranaut. I really love her movies because
Yes.
when I follow her, so I
Yeah.
get motivation from her, because no,
Yeah, she's very
she
bold.
she's like no, she set a goal. Really, she is a very hardworking person. So I really love her.
She is very hardworking, and she is very just like one-handed. It means one-handed lady. She don't want anybody, just to do
Yes,
all the things of their
yes,
own. Yeah,
yes.
means she is a very strong woman. Strong women.
Very
Strong.
very strong, she's very strong woman. Like know that she, even that when she came to Bollywood industry, that she didn't come to like no from like no Bollywood background. So and that apart from this, she didn't know English, so she faced so many difficulties.
Yeah.
Despite facing so many difficulties, she completed she completed her dream. So that's the reason, like no, I when I watch her, when I follow her, I get motivated. And if she, so when I watch her, then I can learn something from her.
Yes. Yes. Right. Right. Her acting is very good.
Very good, very good. Queen, she got a national award also for Queen
Yeah.
movie.
Yes. 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 Jalalita. Jalalita. Yes. Right. 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 Jalalita. Yeah. Yeah. Jalalita.
So do you have any, you already 16 minutes has completed, so do you have any other question?
No, no, not any other questions. We have to talk on next day on another interesting topic. So
Yes.
there is a good thing for your YouTube channel and for my YouTube channel.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.